So, we're back with a regular race day vlog. We're actually going out to check our plants this morning, and I'm going to show you guys our plants because I haven't shown you guys that in quite some time. We're going to turn the water on first. So yeah, today's race day. It's also the Pure Stock Smackdown tonight. I am actually really looking forward to this race. Not so much of driving. I know that's kind of bad, but I love when they have big Pure Stock races. I've always loved Pure Stock racing. It's just, oh, I love it. But anyways, yeah, we're walking back here now. I guess I'll go ahead and show you guys our plants before we get too invested in the video. So we're finally getting watermelons. There's that one. There's that one. There's one right here.
There's one right here.
And there's another large one in there. So
there's one right there and one right there as well.
yeah, there's some small ones over there. Sorry. Yeah, they're kind of on these vines out here. But we're getting watermelons. Yay. And also our corn is pretty much come in. I've got to check most of these. I'm probably going to harvest some this morning. I've already harvested this one, as you can tell by the big funky bend. Pepper plants are doing quite well. This one I actually have to pollinate because we have a flower open. So that's at least one pepper. Hopefully we'll get some more flowers opening here in the next day or so. But corn is pretty much ready to harvest, and I actually lost 2 plants in a thunderstorm. I'm actually drying them out over there because my mom wants them for Halloween decorations. So I'm saving my stalks and everything. So yeah. Oh yeah. Flower sex. So good. So we got 4 ears of corn. I'm really happy. Well, it's about 4:15 and it's time to go load the car. About to put these nasty old things on and get ready for the night. Well, headed to the shop now and gonna go get the car loaded. It actually got like kind of dark and cloudy out. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but I don't think it's supposed to rain. Headed to the racetrack. So I guess we'll see you guys there. Sorry I didn't film anything loading it. It was only me and Joey. So we kind of had to focus on what we were doing to make sure we don't lose a car going to the racetrack tonight. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, hot lap. So there really wasn't much to hot laps. It was normal. Didn't have any overheating issues, even though we blocked off the front of the radiator, but that's mostly to keep the mud out of it. That worked very well, so that was great. Now moving on to hot lap or heat races. so we started outside pole for the heat race. They dropped the green flag and we got down into 1. I was able to stay on the high side, which gave me a little bit more momentum coming off of 2. But it's just plain and simple, we do not have that much motor. We really just kind of put something together this year. We didn't really, you know, amp it up like we could have, and you know, it kind of shows because once the 6 got past me at 3, I never saw him again, and then the 11 ended up passing us down in 1 and 2. There wasn't any contact there. I know some people said that he hit me, but there wasn't any contact. We bumped a little bit, but I had gone way too high and I had to slow down a little bit because I was going right for the wall, and that's what ended up costing me that position. Now, we ended up running 3rd for quite some time, but I think it was the white flag lap, we kind of got tangled up in a wreck down in 1 and 2 with the 88, and I made a Facebook post last night, but I'll go ahead and say it again. There was no hard feelings between me and the 88. That was just a racing thing. It happens. I know when somebody's intentionally trying to spin you, and I know when it's an accident. He immediately backed off of me and he ended up losing a position doing that, and he never took that position back. But yeah, so a lot of people, you know, were coming to me and telling me that he was a dirty driver, and that is just not the case. He came up to me and apologized after the race and even offered me a spot for the main event, but I said, you know what, let's just leave it where it is. There ain't no problems. We're all good. Let's just go race. And that's what we did for the main event. And yeah, absolutely no hard feelings between me and the 88. I just want that to be clear. But anyways, on to the main event.
So Andrew,
Okay, so main event time. Sorry. Just woke up, getting all the morning phlegm out. We started third row inside, next to, I can't remember the guy's card number now. No, I'm sorry if you're watching this video. I'm sorry. But anyways, I wanted to come from the back and try to finish with the top 5. And they dropped a green flag, and we were able to run with the, we ended up dropping to 6th. Ran with the 5th place car for quite some time, but we were kind of getting held up at the same time. We couldn't drive the car, you know, like 100%, and I could have moved him. I could have given him a couple of shunts and, you know, whatnot, but honestly, to hit 5th place, I don't really, you know, I'm not going to tear the guy's car up. I might, if I could have got to him to lean on him a little bit, I might have, but there just wasn't no need for me to drive through him. Eventually, he kind of peels off to the right down in 1 and 2 after a couple of laps. We go past him, and that's the last we see of him. I know the 40 car was real close behind me for the rest of the night as well, so that was definitely a fun race. And we ended up finishing 5th, getting in the top 5. Again, add that to our stats. So all in all, really, for everything that happened, it was a pretty good night. You know, we don't want to turn, you know, a mountain or turn a molehill into a mountain because of, you know, something that happened in a heat race. You know, and last night track position killed us in the main event. I think that was our biggest downfall. I think honestly we could have probably run up there with 4th and all them. But you know what, guys, that's racing. There ain't no need to wig out about it. So anyways, we are off next week. Carolina's not racing next week because they have the Shrine race on Tuesday. If you're going to that, awesome. I hope you have a good time. If you're racing in it, good luck to you. If you're racing today, which is Saturday, good luck to you. But we won't be racing next week, and we won't be back till the week after that on Friday. I think it's like the 24th. We moved 4th in the points last night, so that's another good thing. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you came up and talked to us, thanks so much. We do appreciate that. I'm trying to be less awkward in public because I'm just not used to people just coming up and talking to me. But anywho, so if you said hey, if I missed you saying hey, I'm sorry. My bad, I just didn't hear you. But anyways, thank you so much, guys, and as always, we will see you in the next video.